How to report a problem with a driver or delivery in Grab. First of all, open the Grab app and go to the activity section at the bottom of the screen. Here you'll see a list of your recent rides or deliveries. Next, choose the specific ride or delivery where you faced the issue. Once you tap on it, you'll see the trip details and an option that says Help or Support or Contact. Tap on that. After that, a list of common issues will appear, such as incorrect fare, unprofessional driver behavior, or problems with your delivery. Select the option that best describes the problem you experienced. Then, follow the instruction provided for that issue. You may be asked to enter some details or upload a photo if necessary. Be as clear and specific as possible so that Grab can investigate and respond effectively. Finally, once you have submitted the report, you will receive confirmation and Grab will typically respond through in-app notification or email. Keep an eye on both for updates. And that's it. Now you know how to report a problem with a driver or delivery in Grab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.